Yeah. Well, that's it. We have cleared out the whole space, moved out. It's kind of sad to see it like this.
It's surreal because there's so much room.
Yeah.
We can move back
in. But everything is gone. Literally everything. So it just needs a little sweep. You know what I'm glad about? That we don't have to listen to this fluorescent light bulb humming 24/7. That's great. But yeah. Fully moved out. Here's the whole office. Peace! What's up, guys? It's Tuesday evening, it's about 6 p.m. And I wanted to give you guys a little update on how we've been doing with the fulfillment of the Hoek orders. So we've had a very productive couple of days. In the new workshop, because we've got so much space, we've set up dedicated workstations for each task for the production of the Hoek furniture. So here we're at the sanding station. Behind me you have all of the walnut home office desks, you have a bench here. These are all the shelves, side tables and stools. And this station is just dedicated to sanding and finishing those tabletops. We've even been able to get ourselves some beautiful new Festool sanders. Yeah, if you don't know that brand, you should check them out. They're like the Rolls Royce of sanders.
Hey, what's up, guys? So right now I'm setting up the air lines for the CNC. The CNC needs compressed air to work because the spindle is so heavy that it needs an air assist. So what we have here is an air dryer desiccant system. That's to filter all the moisture and oils and contaminants out of the air. So, you know, completely clean air is going through this system. I kind of have to, you know, redo all the air fittings and get all the lengths right and things like that. So we have all the fittings over here. You know, we have to get like adapters because, you know, there's an existing airline system that we have to adapt to. So that's what I'm doing. We'll see how it goes.
What's up, guys? So another thing that we've been able to do with all this new space in the shop is set up a dedicated routing station. As I was explaining last time, the legs come off the CNC. They have this 2D profile. Then we need to take them to the router to give them this beautiful curved edge. So we've set up a dedicated routing station to do that over here. And we've also set up this storage facility which allows us to store the legs and categorize them by color and size. So this is super handy over here. Finally got this spray booth up and running, as you can see here. And what we do then is we spray the surfaces of the desks and the furniture, and then we take it out here to these drying racks and we let them dry here. Once the furniture comes out here, we know it's gotten one coat, then we give it a scuff sand, we give it a second coat in the spray booth, and we bring it over to this station right here, and we know they're complete at that point, and then we can get all the pieces together and assemble them. Another thing that we're doing at the moment is we're reusing some old glass panels to kind of block up this space here. And we're gonna build a glass wall. And then this space will be air conditioned and heated at the front. So we'll have a showroom to the front and our workshop space to the back. So that should be ready in the next couple of weeks. So we're super excited about that. But yeah, that's it for this week, guys. Thank you for watching. As you can see, the Hook orders are flying along. We're getting very close to shipping out. Hopefully by the end of this week, we'll start shipping out. And thank you for watching. If you know anyone that would like to watch these types of vlogs, definitely share it with friends and family. Click that subscribe button, click the bell button so you get notifications when we post a new video every Sunday morning. All right, thanks for watching.